Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be teaching you how to open an Turtlez account, how to answer the general questions, the questions that have the knowledge of how you understand the formatting and everything. These are just the general questions, and of the questions that I've sampled out, these are the frequently asked questions. Frequently, like in any time you want to apply for an account or to open, you'll at least get maybe 10 or more of these questions. So please consider subscribing to my channel, comment, like and share, so that we can reach a wider view, and also we can enlighten more people to get into this freelancing line of employment, which is self-employment. So the first question I'll be dealing with is here. Identify the referencing style. It's given there I, A, global, PM. So you can read the question. So in this case, the answer will be B, I-E-E-E-E, or I-triple-E. So in case you're not sure of the answer, like if you're not sure and you are trying to answer the questions, remember you're only given 40 minutes to answer the questions, so you'll not have so much time for you to go researching a lot. So the only thing you can do is just to try to correct the question, copy it, and maybe paste on a web and see if at all it provides the answer for you. So in this case, the answer is B. Another question is just a minute. Question 2. If you are to solve a numerical problem, what will be your approach? So most of you will maybe say you should step-by-step calculations. Others will say you look at the marking scheme or the marking criteria given. So in this case, you have to consider both answer B and answer C. So you show the step-by-step calculations, or you look at the criteria. So you have to consider both. 3. ILAC. What does it stand for in formatting? So it is just issue, law, application, and conclusion. That's the ILAC. Another one is rubrics. What are rubrics? So rubrics have got two meanings when you Google. But in this case, rubrics is just a scoring guide. It's more of a marking scheme. What they use to mark a given assignment or something. 3. Which of the following 5. Which of the following is false regarding the format of the appendixes? A. Appendices always precede the list of references. B. Each appendix starts on a new page. C. Appendices must be listed. 4. None of the above. None of the above is wrong. Sometimes you also use the elimination method that maybe most of you have come across in mathematics to just go with some answers. None of the above cannot be an answer. So each appendix doesn't start on its own page. Yes, appendices have their page or their pages, but they don't have like each one starts on its own page. Not that each of them starts on its page. Caribbean style of referencing is generally used in fine arts. If you've been writing, you understand. But since most of you might be new, for those who are watching the video, Caribbean type of referencing is used in fine arts. I'm sure every time you go opening an account, you'll meet this question. This one you can bet on it, you'll meet it. Plagiarism could be avoided by, what is plagiarism? Plagiarism is just copying someone's work and not giving them the credit. You just do copy and copycat, but you don't give them. You don't refer that you made this reference to this article which was drafted or written by so and so. So you can avoid it by citing the sources properly, yes. Paraphrasing the content, yes. Refraining from copying the content directly, yes. So all the above are used to avoid plagiarism. Next question. Which one of the following list is the correct format of here we have the abstract, table of contents, keywords, introduction, body, recommendation, conclusion, references, and appendices. So the answer here is C. MLA citations follow. So MLA citation will always have one name and the year, as it is in A. What is paraphrasing? Paraphrasing is just rewarding. Rewarding. When you say rewarding, is like you are rewriting. You reward a prior work which has been done. So I give you a 20-page assignment or article, then you make it 5. You've just released it. You paraphrased it. You've made it shorter. It's just more of writing an executive summary. Format of critical review. The format of critical review is introduction, summary, critical analysis, conclusion, and references. Also in this case, like if you get this question, another thing you can do is just do elimination. For sure, you must get the critical analysis to be part of your answer. So any that doesn't have the critical analysis, then you just strip it off. It's not an answer. The other one is, what is a memo? A memo is a message that you send to like an organization, to many people. So like I'm a manager and I want an information to go to many people in my organization. So I just write a memo. So the answer here, even though I've not highlighted it, but the answer here is, let's go. A, it's a message to inform the staff of the upcoming event, broadcast, interview. B, it's a message you send to a large group of employees. Let's say the answer is B, but let's also look at C. A short message sent one person to the other in the same organization, or the above. So in this case, a memo is a message you send to a group of employees. So the answer here is B. AG as reference style is used mainly in assignment related to law. Here is given almost like obvious. The L here. So here is law. The grocery list is a list of technical terms used in the report. C. How much can you deviate from the given word count? You can only deviate to a plus or a minus of 10% of the words. So like if you are given 2,000 words, you can only deviate to a maximum of 200, either plus or minus. Not anything more than that. You will be penalized. That is according to my data too. Another one, what are the factors deciding the tone of an assignment? You've given me an assignment, what is the tone? The audience, use of perfect grammar, punctuation and formatting, purpose of writing. All these determine the tone of an assignment. Another one, first person can be used in which one of the above, or which one below? Dissertations, research, reflective essays, business reports. First person is you're like directly talking to someone who is here. Using the use of I, me, and what. So in that case, you'd use it in a reflective essay. You are now telling us something that happened. You are reflecting. You see. 18. If you are to solve a numerical, now you see the same question is repeated here. The answer is just the same answer. B, C. The answer is B. Both B and C have to be put in consideration. Another one is elements of a legal report include a legal report, facts and information, arguments for and against, identification of legal issues in the information, in the fact. Yes. So the answer is B. All the above. Appendices can include. So all these can be included in the appendices. All of them. So you see this now another account I was opening. Then these are the questions I made. the reference is cited within the body of text of an academic essay. Executive summary is used in an executive summary just gives the info. It's like you paraphrased the whole report in that summary. You are telling us what the summary is all about, or what the whole report is all about. That one is used in the report writing, not in essay, not in reflection, not in dissertation. It's only used in essay writing. Abstract can be used in. So abstract can be used in A. dissertations, B. research proposals, only in dissertation. So abstract is used in all the above. In 1 and 2. So here the answer is in 1 and 2. Which of the following is not a type of referencing? MLA is a type of referencing. APA is a type of referencing. Vancouver is a type of AGLC is a type of referencing. AI triple E is not a type of referencing. The type of referencing is I triple E. I triple E. The A is not there. What is annotated by the bibliography? A. List of references followed by the graphs and the figures of the relevant content. Additional information. List of references at the end of the academic writing. References followed by the brief description of what the reference is all about. Yes, that is now what we call annotated bibliography. Another question is, which one must be followed for writing presentation? A. There is A, there is B, there is C. So this one, we are now like we are doing the PowerPoint. So which one will you use? You use a single background. Don't go into so many stuff. What do you understand by the direct quotation in academic writing? So this case, this is the use of the exact words as written by someone in a given article. Another question, which of the following are not included in the word count? Footnotes, cover sheet, referencing, list of references. All these are not included in the word count. In word count, you only include the introduction, the body, conclusion, recommendation, and the habit. But for all these mentioned, the footnotes, they are not included. Please note they are not included in word count. So don't add so many references thinking that they'll be used in the word count. No, they are not. What is ISBN? ISBN. This is International Standard Book Number. What is the format for literature review? The format for literature review is introduction, summary of the article, conclusion, and the references. Not complex stuff. Just simple. Which of the following is included in the word count? Is included. Table of contents they don't include. Executive summary is separate. References and appendices no. Of these, conclusion is the only one that is included in the word count. You see, the questions are not hard as per se. They are not. Just playing around with your wit or your mind. Hanging indent is a characteristic feature of a peer referencing, Harvard, Chicago, IEEE referencing. So in this case, it is in a PA. An abstract. What is an abstract? It's a brief summary of the research article at the start of the paper. So you are giving us a brief of what the article will be all about. So there is very little difference between an abstract and an executive